Imagine earning $428 daily from the comfort of your home using a simple app available worldwide. Whether you're in Asia, Europe, or America, this method works for everyone, and payouts can be made through PayPal or directly to your bank account. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to maximize your earnings and get started today. Visit the app's website or download it from your app store. Once installed, new users get access to a spin to win feature offering coupon bundles worth up to $200. Spin the wheel, stop it, and claim your coupon rewards. To access this bonus, sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Explore the app's interface to find hidden rewards and mystery gifts. Simply click on the Grab for Free button to claim additional coupons. For instance, by purchasing 2 small items, users can unlock a coupon bundle to claim higher value products at no extra cost. Scroll to the bottom of the app or website and click on the affiliate and influencer option. Sign up to earn up to 30% commission on product sales through your referral link. For example, a $100 purchase earns you $30, and the more you promote, the more you earn. Top performers even receive extra bonuses ranging from $3,000 to $10,000 weekly. Pick trending products such as phone cases or gadgets. Use the app's built-in videos and images to create promotional content. Download these resources and compile them into a document for easy access. Use tools like Canva to create eye-catching promotional videos. Add bold text, vibrant colors, and clear calls to action, such as link in bio, ensure the visuals highlight the product's appeal and its value to potential buyers. Pinterest is a high-traffic platform with over 1 billion monthly visitors. Create a professional profile, upload your promotional videos, and add compelling product descriptions and affiliate links. Use relevant tags to increase visibility and attract buyers. Focus on high-demand products in your region, use engaging visuals, and leverage bonuses and rewards to scale your earnings. Start now and take control of your financial future. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others and comment below with your thoughts. Let's get started on your journey to earning $428 a day.